Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you how can you get the various free softwares from Autodesk if you are a student. So as you know, these Autodesk softwares are quite expensive. So for example, Maya, which is like a high-end animation software, costs around $1,700 per year, and that is after a savings of 34%. So these softwares are quite expensive, but if you are a student, there is a way in which you can get this legally for free. So you have to come to Autodesk website, then you can sign up for an account. So once you have signed up for an account, what you need to do is, so you have already logged in. So now you have to type for the name of the software you need to search for. If it's a, it can be any other software that is there by Autodesk. So I'll say Maya license, Maya student, right? So now it says Maya student license. So now if I search for it, it will take me to the page where we have all the student softwares. So Fusion 360, Revit, AutoCAD, Inventor Professional, 3ds Max, Advanced T, all these softwares can be you can get the full version as a student, provided you provide some other information. So now you have to click on it, then it will ask you to again log in. I mean the same credential, it will authenticate one more time because that is like the student version of the platform of Autodesk. Now once you have logged in again, then it will ask you to provide your documentation. Please upload a copy of your documentation issued to you by your education system, that is tuition receipt or student ID, employee ID, as proof that you attend, teach or employed at a qualified education institution. So these are like school transcript, school issued confirmation letter, school ID, all these things you can put it. So you can upload this here. So after uploading it, Autodesk will verify it whether that is authentic information that you have provided, and you have to put in your legal name, and you have to put the date with the current school term. So after doing that, Autodesk will verify it and it will give you a student license which you can use to use various softwares. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.